Welcome to the comprehensive exploration of Japanese Wagyu beef. Explore the rich heritage of Japanese Wagyu beef and its unique characteristics shaped by regional traditions and breeding standards. Take a virtual tour of Japanese Wagyu ranches and learn about the care, management, and practices employed to ensure the well-being and quality of Wagyu cattle. Delve into the intricate science behind the marbling that makes Wagyu beef exceptional, discussing genetics, nutrition, and animal husbandry. Discover renowned chefs who are masters of cooking Wagyu beef and learn about traditional Japanese dishes and innovative global creations. Immerse yourself in a sensory experience of cooking Wagyu beef, describing the cooking process, aroma, sizzle, and the nuanced taste and mouthfeel of Wagyu beef. Explore regional varieties of Wagyu beef, such as Kobe, Matsusaka, and Omi, and discuss their unique flavor profiles and characteristics influenced by geographical factors, climate, and local traditions. Uncover the cultural significance of Wagyu beef in Japan, its role in traditions and ceremonies, and how it has become a global symbol of luxury and indulgence. Provide insights into the sustainability efforts within the Wagyu industry, including ethical considerations and environmental impact. Explore the challenges faced and the innovative solutions being explored to preserve this heritage for future generations. As we conclude our captivating journey through the world of Japanese Wagyu beef, we hope this comprehensive exploration has left you not only with a deeper understanding but also a profound appreciation for the artistry, science, and culture that surround this extraordinary culinary treasure. The legacy of Wagyu continues to evolve, bridging tradition and innovation, and inviting us all to savor the magic of its marbling, the richness of its history, and the warmth of its hospitality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening and flavorful adventure. Until next time, may your culinary explorations be as rich and rewarding as the world of Japanese Wagyu beef.